Pfaff Audi is based in Vaughan, along with many of the other dealerships that come under the Pfaff umbrella. But Pfaff has grown, and we service an area much greater than that now. For 2020, the A5 Sportback has been redesigned and has a host of great new standard features. With the S-Line package, the vehicle also comes with a sports suspension, front sports seats, stainless steel pedals, and a black headliner. This is just a few of the great new options available for the 2020 vehicle that also comes equipped with a very well-powered 250 horsepower engine. We also strive to set ourselves apart. We do this by simplifying the buying process because we know our customers' time is valuable and we want to make buying a car as fast and easy as possible. We do this by offering our best price first, and that means that we price our cars and not our customers. We've removed the negotiation, one of the most time-consuming parts of the buying process, and we don't add any dealer fees to our prices. In doing that, we think that we've set ourselves apart and strive to provide a premium buying experience for everyone that walks through our doors.